Hi, this is a video of Williams from Maryland QuadraFire Pellet Stove Controller. It's TASSB-93V.12A. Williams sent it to me because it had a really bad case of chattering relay. I've taken care of that. I've also replaced the element relay just because those guys go through a lot of, when it has a chattering problem, those things go through a lot of cycles. So it's probably done its time anyways. A lot of current goes through that relay. So I replaced it with a brand new one. So I'm about to turn it on, and when I do, I should be able to, I've got the room temperature. I'll turn it down a little bit here. I've got the room temperature set at about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll get my thermostat here to call for heat. I'll get the green light to come on, the heat light indicator, or the call indicator, and some of my lights will come on here. So I've got the combustion fan that just came on. I don't have a call for heat yet, so I'll turn up my thermostat a little bit until I get a call for heat, and there it is. The auger comes on, and so does the igniter. So the igniter should run for a little bit, for about approximately 4 minutes, I believe, and then it shuts off by itself, and in that time the auger should have dropped enough pellets. I think the auger will run for 2 minutes, dropped enough pellets into the fire pit, and the fire should be able to start with all that. Looking at the controller itself, I'm going to turn it around here real quick so that I can see the lights on it. But if we look at it, we see that neither the red or the green lights are on. So I have noted, let me spin the camera around, that the red comes on at 1400 degrees Fahrenheit and the green light will come on at 290 degrees Fahrenheit. So that all works correctly. So I'm going to ramp up my temperature a little bit to 280 degrees or so, and then I'll put the camera in place so we can watch it as we go up. And there's the lights as I increase the temperature. There it is. The green light just came on as expected. None of the lights, none of the motors or the elements should do anything about this here. They're still on the timer circuit. They'll continue in that mode until their time runs out, but I'm not going to wait that long because I know it's going to happen. What I am going to do, though, is increase the temperature to 1300 degrees Fahrenheit, and that should put me in close range to the 1400, which will make the light come on. So I'm at 800. Let's not go too fast here. We're at 1350 right now with the red light on. So as I increase the temperature slightly, I should see the red light come on. And at the same time, in the background, we'll see the element light should go off. So waiting on the red light to come on. That should kill there it is. Red light came on, and the element went off. So the fire is hot enough at over 1400 degrees Fahrenheit. So the controller turns off the element. No need for that. So it'll stay in this state as long as we're calling for heat, and we are with the green light on and the thermostat calling for heat. If I turn it off, if the room gets too warm, for example, we should be able to stop the auger. There, we stopped the auger. And if I were to lower below the 1400 degree threshold, I call for heat again by making my green light come on. The element should come on as well. There it is. They both came on, the auger and the element. The element will come on for its timed period and keep going that way. Now, if I increase the temperature up to past 1400 degrees again, my element goes off, the auger continues, and the pellet stove is in self-sustaining mode. Basically, it'll stay this way as the room temperature increases and decreases. Too hot, pellets stop. Cools down, pellets come back on. Too hot, off, on. So I can control it with the thermostat like it should. So after repairing the chattering relay problem and replacing the igniter relay with a brand new one, this pellet stove controller for QuadraFire from a QuadraFire stove is ready to be returned to William. Thank you, William. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.